The next rotator cuff muscle you want to examine is the infraspinatus tendon. So can you put your elbows like this, tuck them in, and then externally rotate? And what you want to say, come back again, sorry, and then externally rotate, and then this places the infraspinatus tendon under stress. And then the last muscle we want to examine is subscapularis. So this is Gerber's lift-off test. You can do this in several ways. One of the ways is that you put your hand behind your back with palm facing outwards, and then push against my hand. Okay, lovely. And the same other side. Okay, and push here. So that's Gerber's lift-off test, and that looks at subscapularis. Okay, next special test is Speed's test, and Speed's test assesses the biceps tendon, so the long head of biceps, and assesses for biceps tendonitis. So what you want to do is have the patient's hand pronated and the elbow flexed about 30 degrees, and then you push down on their palm, and this resists motion, and this determines whether the long head of biceps is inflamed within the shoulder joint. In this case, it's negative. So the next special test is the scarf test, and this is to look at whether there is any acromioclavicular joint pathology. So in addition to tenderness of the acromioclavicular joint. So what you ask to do is place the patient's arm like a scarf over their contralateral shoulder, and this puts stress on the acromioclavicular joint. So is there any pain there?
No.
Okay, so scarf test is negative in this case. And you can also perform the painful arc. So what you want to do is have the patient's hands in the anatomical position like this, and then abduct the arm to 180 degrees, and then slowly bring it down into adduction. So a painful arc will be positive between 60 to 120 degrees of that adduction range of motion, and this suggests subacromial impingement.